Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the theme in the Google Chrome app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Google Chrome app. On the top right corner, tap on these three dots. That's the menu icon. Then tap on settings here in the menu bar down on the bottom. Tap on settings. Then scroll down to the theme. Here you can see above advanced. Tap on theme. Then you can select dark. By tapping on it, you can select light, and you can select the system default. If your device's battery saver is on, then it automatically changes the theme of Google Chrome. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.